What's up, everybody? I'm holding a Les Paul made by Grote. Now, some of you know, I recently purchased a real Gibson gold top Les Paul. But let's see how this guitar, it's cost me about $100. Let's see how this thing sounds. The neck pickup. I'm gonna try the bridge. This is right out of the box. I didn't even restring this guitar yet. I give this guitar 2 thumbs up. Okay, so it's not always about, some people think you need to spend a lot of money on a guitar, but man, I'm really impressed. Look how beautiful this guitar is, man. Beautiful purple. I got a blue light, but if I take the light, maybe you can see the purple now. Unbelievable, the quality of this guitar, man. Wow. As always, I wish you peace, love, music.